every day and every night, every night.
Hey guys, we're gonna be spending some time together, okay? We're gonna be communicating. Y'all gonna be seeing what I do on a regular smegular day. You know, the regular do, isn't it? So, yeah, so just enjoy this little vlog. It's gonna be like a compilation of videos over a few days. You know, we're in lockdown and I'm just here and I'm just getting to really appreciate my space and time and you know all that fun stuff. So let's go. All right, so what going beautiful people, you don't know it's a girl Rosh Wavy. It's really been a minute since I've actually made a video and oh my god, there is a lot going on. I'm off to tell you no, enough things going, so we keep on up to date. And for my new subscribers, if you aren't subscribing already, click it right now. By going to 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Yeah man, thanks. All right, so let's get into it.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is so in a million, it goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million, it goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Welcome to Jocelyn's Cabaret.
I mean, I do have an, you know, unreasonable amount of things on this dresser, which really actually don't need to be there, but yeah, I ain't got no other space to put them. So we're gonna try and clean it up.
On a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up. Told you was.
Alright, hey guys, what's up? You don't know it's a girl Rosh Wavy, and today we're on our way to Ocherios. I'm about to pick up my sister. She just flew in and she's gonna be staying with me, so I'm gonna pick her up. Of course, you know, see a girl late already. Wow, perfect timing. Chin. Alright, so as I was saying, guys, so yeah, I'm about to pick her up. We're driving through Mandeville right now. And, yeah. Say hi to you.
Hi.
I know I just left out of the house, but in a business, I'm hungry. So, luckily, I had made some sandwiches, so we'll eat some sandwich on the road. I'm gonna struggle to eat for you because my drive. So hi guys, we just got here. It's called, we're here, Sleeks at Cas Creole, in Ocherios. Finally just got here. My sister take forever to come out. I want to fight her, but good thing is we're here. It was a long journey. Half the way I got car sick and lost. But nevertheless we're here. We just have to pack up the car with all of the stuff them. Yeah, so a lot of interesting stuff been happening.
Period!
I'm currently in my kitchen right now. I just finished shooting a video about what's in my barrel. So the place is basically dirty and I still have the flat. Let me explain again. So for the persons who didn't watch the previous video, I had some mangoes on my counter, right? And they were there for like 2 days, and flies started taking them because I guess I didn't eat them fast enough or something. So I threw them away, and I'm having flies still. So I'm basically bleaching everything. I'm still have flies. I don't know why they're here. I have no idea when they're gonna leave. I clean like almost every single day because of, I don't know, but I clean like almost every single day. So currently I have my sis staying with me, so the place is a bit messy right now, which is perfect so we can get really clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up, but first I'm gonna grab something to eat. And so I know that I'm not much of a fan for drinking water. I know that I hardly drink water, and I've been challenging myself to drink water every morning when I wake up for 30 days. So this is gonna be my first day. Now this is gonna be my second day. Okay, so it's the next day, and here I am. I don't know, I'm just bored, and I decided that I need to stop looking like a crazy lady, so I'm gonna do my hair. No, I suffer and when I say suffer, I mean I suffer from dry scalp. So I literally wash my hair the day before, and look at it, I oiled it and everything, and it just looked like this. Pray for me. I don't know how to do this, but I know. It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. Can't get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you. You try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but you don't really want to. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you right. Good morning, beautiful people. I just got up, like literally just got up. Face a wash or nothing, but I'm gonna take out the trash because I was sweeping and I left it there. So I'm gonna take out the trash now. I'll come back inside. This is like day, I don't know, it's been such a hard time doing this vlog. I don't even know which days are the days, but let's go. What my name, I don't know. Look for me. Trash. Because then that would be weird. So guys, as soon as I come outside, I want to see this vehicle coming down my driveway, and guess who's here? Say hi, P.
I don't know who I'm talking to.
Just say hi, P.
Hi. Listen.
Them say you look nice.
Hi.
Yeah.
Listen.
They must say you look good.
Thank you. Who is this?
It's $1 million. Yes. So I don't know when excitement comes here. They always hungry them. So please cooking. Guys, please don't watch the pot cover wasn't my choice.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away. On trees, beach views.
Just come and look at the thing. Walk on the car.
It looks
Walk on the car. Walk on the car. Walk on the car. Examine your work.
She look good. She look nice.
Yeah, you work with the kiss
she
now.
look good.
You work with the kiss now. You can't the kiss now.
Hi guys, I just wake up. I'm gonna wash my face, brush my teeth or nothing. I'm gonna get ready to go up on the road because I feel like I've just been feeling so sad, and I've just been in the house all the time, like every day. I haven't left the house in like a long time, so I'm just gonna go to work. All right, let's go.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away.
Hey guys, this is Rush from the future editing. What going on, boy? What's going on, you know? And in the middle of the pandemic, me just there, me edit and me say to myself, say, girl, we have life, we bless God. So we just want to give God thanks. We just want to say bless up, and I hope everybody keep safe. Wear your mask, sanitize, just stay inside. If you don't have to go outside, don't go outside. Anyways, back to the video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you say you like, make sure you say you share, make sure you say you comment. Is it me?